Hey everyone, happy Sunday. I hope that wherever you are and whatever you are doing, you are having a fantastic weekend. I'm here with my iPhone recording a very rough and ready Sunday musing for you all today. Thanks to all the well wishers. I am in fact recovering from my surgery last week. It was just minor surgery. We had a little heart monitor put in my chest just to try and keep track of what's going on with my heart because my heart's not behaving. It's all good. I'm back in the studio tomorrow. I hadn't even intended to record a thought of the day or the Sunday musing for the weekend, but it kind of came into being because of everything that's been going on in California with the wildfires, with PG&E cutting off huge numbers of people because they didn't want to have risks of wildfires because of the high winds and the brush being really dry. Obviously up here in Oregon we haven't had any of that problem, certainly not in northern Oregon, but I know lots of people had their power cut off over the weekend, and it made me wonder if we need to be doing more as a society to encourage people to live off-grid, maybe not completely off-grid, but to encourage people to have off-grid capabilities in the case of a natural disaster. You know, I live in the Pacific Northwest. We are in earthquake territory. We're waiting for the big one. And I would love to see if my local utility did some work with us to try and encourage people to have backup battery systems and solar panels that can operate off-grid rather than requiring the local utility grid to be up and operational all the time. Now, of course, we've got a Chevrolet Bolt EV, we've got a Nissan Leaf, so collaboratively we have about 50 kilowatt hours of battery storage, assuming both cars are fully charged. But I was talking to my neighbour yesterday and he was saying, you know, we do get power cuts up here in the winter, and it just got me thinking, should we be doing more? Should we be focusing more on off-grid capabilities, microgeneration, etc., etc.? Of course, Tesla has done some fantastic things with its solar panels, with its battery storage systems, and there are some other great companies doing great things in the sector around the world. But I want to know what you'd like to see governments do, local communities do, to bring together more people to generate electricity locally, to have their own sustainability locally, and then maybe we wouldn't have so many problems with poor weather and needing to turn off the electricity grid to prevent wildfires, because the reason they turned the grid off is because obviously some of those lines got brought down and there were sparks and there'd be wildfires, and PG&E in the past have got in trouble for some of the wildfires that they've had. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm sorry if I'm shaking slightly and if the camera's wobbling. Like I say, I didn't intend to do a Sunday musing, but this one's been in the back of my head and I figured we needed to get this one out. Also, if you're watching this, please do check out Transport Evolved Take 2, because we've just put up a video on the Mesa Smart Thermostat, which is a video that we did intend to do. And tomorrow we're going to do a very quick and dirty review of the 2020 Chevrolet Bolt EV, which is what I was driving this time last week. So thanks for watching. Keep evolving. Take care.